See to the second sum. Now look into your second sum. X is a set containing 3, 4, 6, 8. Determine whether the relation R is a function from X to N. Given R is relation from X to the function from X to N. So same here, instead of X and Y they have given us X and F of X. So first, what is the X given? You choose and write. X is 3, 4, 6, 8. And what is the Y? Instead of Y, it is given as R. R you have to choose from X comma F of X. That Y is related as F of X. In terms of Y, instead of Y, it is given as F of X. You have to collect the F of X Y term from the X term. So first find X and Y. X belongs to capital X. That means it is from 3, 4, 6, 8. Your X number should be 3, 4, 6, 8 only. And your F of X should be related to this X. What answer you are getting, that you have to find the F of X. So choose X numbers 3, X as 4, X as 6, X as 8. For X values, what is your F of X value? First find this. What is F of X values? The relation what is given? X square plus 1 is the statement given. For the statement, find the F of X. When X is 3, what is your F of X? 3 square plus 1, that is 9 plus 1, which is 10. Same way, X is 4, your F of X is 4 square plus 1, that is 16 plus 1, which is 17. X is 6, F of X is 6 square plus 1, that is 36 plus 1, which is 37. X is 8, F of X is 8 square plus 1, 64 plus 1, which is 65. Now this is what your 10, 17, 37, 65. This is belongings to the natural number or not. This all the elements comes under the natural number. Okay. For every X number you have the relation. This relation satisfies because there are answers you are getting in that belongs to the natural numbers. So you choose the X data as domain and Y data as your F of X. That is F of X is what your Y. Okay, the range here is that is what the ordered pairs. What ordered pairs you are getting? For 3 it is 10. Okay, the next ordered pair is 4, 17, and for 6 37. Okay, for 6 it is 37, for 8 it is 65. This is what the ordered pairs you are getting. All this belonging to the natural numbers or not. So this is your X and this is what your F of X. That is what your Y. Your see X 3, 4, 6, 8 and your F of X. All the elements, the natural numbers, X to N. What is the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So for 3 it is 10. 10 you have is last digit. 10 also is there. 10 you relate it. So for 4 also you can relate 17. If you continue that, 17 will be there. For 6 again 37. You can relate all the elements. So for that only we are mentioning, instead of all the elements of N, you mention only the paired elements. Since every element is belonging to N, only that element you write 10, 17, 37, 65. So this also N. So range here is 3 to 10, 4 to 17, 6 to what is? So each one forms the range 8, 65. So every element in the X has the images in the Y. So what you can say? Yes, the relation is a function. This function satisfies the properties of the relation and therefore the relation R is a function. This R is a function. From that question what is given now is a function from X to N, that you write is a function from X to capital N. Since each element in the X has the images in the Y, unique images in the Y, separate images, not same combined images, separate images are there. Hence this relation forms the function from X to N.